Reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Reactions of aldehydes and ketone. The reaction is, that is addition of alcohol into the what? Aldehydes. Addition of alcohol into aldehydes and a ketone. Okay. We can add alcohol into the aldehydes. When aldehydes reacts with a monohydric alcohol in presence of dilute HCl to give a unstable product, that is hemiacetal, and this hemiacetal again reacted with another monohydric alcohol in presence of dilute HCl to give a corresponding acetal, which are the stable product, and the reaction is, that is R C double bond O H. This is aldehyde. This aldehyde reacted with what? That is alcohol. That is R dash OH. This is alcohol, and this alcohol reacted with what? That is dilute HCl. Dilute HCl to get converted to what? This OH minus attack on this carbon, this double bond will be break, and to get converted to the product is like this, that is RCH. Here is OH, and remaining is double bond will get converted into the single bond and to form a what? That is OR dash. Okay. This is hemiacetal. And this hemiacetal again react with the dilute HCl. React with what? A dilute HCl react with another monohydric molecule in presence of dilute HCl to give a corresponding stable compound, that is acetal, and the reaction is RCH OH OR dash. This is hemiacetal. This hemiacetal is reacted with another molecules of alcohol, that is monohydric alcohol. Monohydric means what? There is a presence of only one hydroxyl group. That is why it is called as monohydric alcohol in presence of HCl, that is dry HCl, dilute HCl. Instead of this hydrogen, okay, this hydrogen is replaced by this R dash, and that is this hydrogen and this hydroxyl group is given out as a byproduct, and the compound is RCH OR dash, and what? That is H2O as a byproduct, and the compound name of this compound is acetal. This is the addition of alcohol into the aldehyde. I have to repeat these reactions once again. When aldehydes reacts with monohydric alcohol in presence of dilute HCl to give a hemiacetal, this hemiacetal which are again reacted with a that is another molecules of what? That is monohydric alcohol in presence of dilute HCl to give a corresponding stable compound, that is hemiacetal. Okay. This is the general reactions of example of addition of alcohol to the aldehyde is when acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond O H. This is acetaldehyde. Okay. This acetaldehyde reacts with a ethyl alcohol. Reacts with what? That is ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol. This reaction can be proceed through the what? that is general reaction. Okay, this when acetaldehydes reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of that is dilute HCl, dilute HCl to give a corresponding unstable product, that is unstable product, and this unstable product, the product is like this, that is CH3CH, CH3CH. Okay, this OH can be attacked on this hydroxyl group. There is OH, and this O gets converted to the OC2H5. Okay, this is the unstable product, that is hemiacetal. And this hemiacetal again reacted with another molecules of alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, CH3CH OH OC2H5. This is the hemiacetal, and this hemiacetal is a unstable, and this hemiacetal again reacted with another molecules of what, that is ethyl alcohol C2H5, and the remaining reaction is same, that is in presence of, that is dilute HCl. Okay, that is dilute HCl. What happened? This hydroxyl group C2H5OH, this is this C2H5, this hydroxyl group, this is hydroxyl group of this hydrogen of the hydroxyl group is replaced by this ethyl group. Okay, and this forms a what, CH3CH OC2H5. Here is also a what, that is OC2H5, and a byproduct is what, that is H2O. Name of this compound is 1,1-diethoxyethane. This is the example of this addition of alcohol. Okay, the next addition of alcohol to the ketone, when a ketone reacts with a alcohol, and that alcohol, it may be a 1,2-diol or 1,3-diol in presence of what, that is a dilute HCl, to give a corresponding 6-membered cyclic kettle, to forms what, a cyclic kettle, and the reaction is, that is a ketone, that is RC double bond O R dash. This is ketone. Okay, and this ketone is reacted with what, that is 1,2-diol, and this 1,2-diol we have to taken this like this, that is CH2 OH. Okay, at the 1,2-diol, this are 1,2-diol, we are taking the one sample of this one, that is example, that is 1,2-diol. This is the 1,2-diol, and this 1,2-diol reacted with what, a ketone in presence of dilute, that is dilute HCl. The reaction is same, is like the reactions of alcohol with the aldehydes. Okay, in this reaction, this double bond will be broken and two forms of what, that is 6-membered cyclic kettle. Okay, that is R dash, here is O, here is also O, this is the double bond, and this O is connected with what, that is CH2O. Okay, this is the kettle, this is a kettle, this is a what, that is ketone. When ketone is reacted with a alcohol, that alcohol, it may be a 1,2-diol or 1,2,1,3-diol. Diol means what? There is a presence of 2 hydroxyl group that are reacted with what? That is, this ketone is reacted with 1,2-diol or 1,3-diol in presence of dilute HCl to forms a what? A kettle. This is the reactions of ketone with the alcohol.